What's up, guys? It's Frankie from Xtreme. Got a little vlog for you guys today. I'm gonna kind of take you throughout the shop every few hours, kind of see what's going on. I'm currently removing a windshield on a Tesla Model Y. We're gonna retint it in some Stratos 35, put a bigger sun strip on it, took care of a chip repair earlier on it, and we're doing that back window as well. So stick around, show you guys kind of what a regular day at the shop looks like. So we actually had to stop working on the Tesla real quick because this Cadillac came in to get two front windows tinted. We're going to match the two fronts to the back. We're going to get them looking right. In and out, 30 minutes. So there you guys have it. I told you half an hour in and out. Pinnacle 15 on the two front windows to match the back. That's our mid-grade ceramic. I'll get back to that Tesla here in just a second, but let's go see what everybody's doing next door. We've got Eric over here. He's actually working on this glass replacement over here. We're doing a windshield replacement on this Scion. And then I got Brandon, Danny, and Saul over here doing some PPF on this Mazda RX-7. This is a nice little car here. It actually hits a 1981. Core didn't have any of the patterns on it because it's a little bit older. So the guys actually made some patterns with some transfer tape, transfer paper, installed it now. All they got to do is trim it up, make it look good, and we'll send it on out. So here it is, guys. Eric's about to pull it out. Again, 35% windshield in our Formula One Stratos. Got a 5% visor over that. Removed and retinted that rear left door in our 5% Pinnacle, just because we don't have 5% in Stratos. And then fixed that rock chip on the windshield for him. Let's go next door. Let's look at the progress on that Mazda. I think they're done with almost all of it. I see Brandon right here carrying a piece from the hood. So let's see what you accomplished today, Danny.
I managed to get a template for the front fender. So we did the driver's side fender today. We did the full front hood.
All right. So, both fenders are done or just one? No. So we got almost all of it done. I know they did the hood. The hood is already sealed. It looks really good. Pretty sure tomorrow we're gonna finish up this bumper, this fender. I saw them do both lights already. You guys can see a little bit of imperfections there. That's all in the paint. It's an 81. You know, it's gonna have little things here, and there. But overall, for an 81, this is in really good shape. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today, guys. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, kind of see how that day goes, and hopefully, get some cooler stuff in here. Yeah.
Hey guys, something cool about this 1978 Firebird is that even though some things are aftermarket, everything still feels very original. Everything is in perfect condition. So cleaning it and maintaining this whole interior was very nice, and there was a nice satisfaction about it. And yeah, right now we're just finishing up the interior and it looks pretty brand new. Hey guys, right behind me we have a Trans Am American Muscle, and right now the PPF guys are working on a Mazda RX-7 from the 80s. Let's go ask them what they prefer. Hey Brandon, what do you prefer more, JDM or muscle car?
JDM forever.
JDM forever, that's what he says. Danny, what do you prefer more, American Muscle Car or JDM?
I prefer JDM.
JDM. I personally prefer. There are some JDMs that are like not, you cannot beat, but American muscle cars are my favorite. Now let's go ask Frankie. Frankie, where you at? What do you prefer, American muscle car or JDM?
Man, a few years ago I'd probably say JDM, but I don't think you can beat American Muscle.
You guys got it? What about the cameraman? JDM or American muscle car?
Muscle car forever.
We forgot the front desk people. Let's go ask them. Hey guys, how are you guys? Quick question. JDM or American muscle car?
American Muscle, all day, every day.
All day, every day, you got it? A city. JDM or American muscle car or electric cars? Especially Tesla Model 3.
Electric cars.
Electric cars, that city says.
Got a little update here for you guys. We're actually all done with the RX-7. Everything came out super nice on it. Just waiting for the rain to stop so we can deliver this to the customer. Got this Firebird Trans Am back here also ready to go. Same thing, just waiting for the rain to let up. We got our shop van over there. We're just cleaning that up. We just use that whenever we have to go pick up glass, you know, big stuff or whatever, random stuff. We actually have this 2023 Acura. Pretty sure this is an MDX getting a level 2 full front. So you guys already know what it is, you know, full hood, fenders, bumper, lights, mirrors, stuff like that. Seems like they're finishing up the hood here. Looks like they did the mirrors and a fender. This should probably be done by the end of the day today. And we actually have a Tesla coming in at the end of the day today for level 2 as well. And I'm pretty sure they're also getting window tint. So all around with the windshield, I think the sunroof as well. Over on this side, we got Eric working on a Toyota Camry. And then we got this big dump truck right here that we're also going to tint today. So got kind of a busy day today. I'll give you guys an update in about an hour. How's it going, everybody? Frankie from Xtreme here. Got a pretty nice and big job today. Got this 1981 911 here. It's actually been restored, I believe, to an older model, something in the 70s, I believe the customer said. But we're gonna be doing window tint on it today. We're doing absolutely every piece of glass on here, right? So we're gonna do the sides, the vent windows, the back glass, and the windshield. He ended up going with our Formula One Pinnacle, so we're doing 35% on the sides and 50% on the windshield. It's gonna come out looking super clean, guys. Follow me. I'll take you guys through the process, and we'll see how the end result looks.
All right, so let's see if Frankie knows how to do this windshield. I don't think so. You think you can do it, Frankie?
It's done already.
It's done.
Look at this. See it?
Are you tinning or massaging?
You see it? You gotta treat it like a lady.
Like,
It moves.
no, not
No?
here. No.
Oh, then it's too
Oh,
big.
actually, yes.
There. Thank you guys for joining us for a week's worth of vehicles in and out. Obviously, we didn't show you every single vehicle we did, but we tried to showing you, what an average week looks like. Stay tuned for the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this type of video and give us any feedback down below. Have a great one, guys.